I've got a lot of videos on this channel about email marketing, and this is another one. And the reason why is because I think email marketing is the number one best place and best way to market your voiceover services, assuming that you have a professional demo and a good website. So in today's video, I want to take you step by step through the process to do email marketing to your potential clients. This is probably the number one thing that most people actually get wrong when it comes to marketing your voiceover business. And a lot of people are very hesitant to start doing this, either because they think they don't have enough time to do it, or they think that they're being too salesy and they're bothering people when they email them. Which, by the way, most of the time, neither one of those is true, because whether you send 1 email a day, 5 emails a day, or 20 emails a day, you've always got time to send emails. And the great thing about emails is that you can send them in pretty much any time of day. So it's not like if you're making phone calls and you have to make sure you get somebody during business hours. With email marketing, if you work a full-time job, you can email at the evenings, weekends, I don't care. You can 3 o'clock in the morning if you want to, and the potential client will just get to it when they can. Another thing that'll happen is that when you start doing your emailing, you'll start to get into a rhythm or a pattern. And especially if you set up, best practices like, email templates and things that make it to where you don't have to reinvent the wheel every time. You can just put the template in, customize a few things to personalize it, and send it off. Ahoy there, my name is Mike Hathcote. I am a full-time voice actor, and I run the VoiceOver Blueprint training program and YouTube channel here, where the goal is to give you free information about how to start, create, and sustain a profitable voice acting business. And if you're new to voice acting or thinking about becoming a voice actor, I host a weekly webinar every Tuesday night at 6 p.m. Pacific time, where we talk about the steps to becoming a voice actor. You can ask me any questions live on the call. And as a bonus for showing up, I'll throw in a copy of my book, The VoiceOver Blueprint. You'll get the digital copy as well as the audiobook, plus 4 free additional gifts just for showing up. So once again, absolutely free to join the webinar. Just click that link down below in the description and pin comment, and I'll see you on Tuesday. Okay, let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is sit down and go to Google and just Google production companies. And they can be any kind of video production companies, whether it be, commercial production, e-learning production. There are so many different keywords to use, and you can mix those keywords up, and every keyword you use will bring up another list in your search results. Step 2 is find a production house that you want to reach out to, go to their website, search around on their website for a video, preferably with voiceover on it, in their reels or in their projects list. Find a video that you like that, once again, has VO on it, and make note of that on a piece of paper somewhere or on a notepad. Next, you go to apollo.io or hunter.io, one of those email finding services, and those are free, by the way. And you put in the URL of that website, and hopefully it will bring up a list of everybody who works at that website. Now, it's not always accurate. Sometimes you have to go a little deeper in your search, but it does a really good job of bringing up a list of the people who work there, as well as their title and their email address. And the person you're looking for, the title you're looking for, is something like creative director. If that's not listed in there, then, production manager, head of production, something that has to do with hiring of voice talent. And of course, if you can't find any of those titles, then just send it to the CEO or, one of the people who runs the joint, and they can forward it usually to the person who is responsible for doing the hiring. All right, once you've gotten the name of the person and their email address, then you're going to hopefully use one of your templates, create a new email, call them by name, mention that thing that you jotted down, that video that you liked on their website. You mention that in the email, like, hey, I liked that one video about the thing and the guy and the place or whatever, or the name of it. And that way they know that you've done your homework. You've been on their website and you've taken the time to research who they are and what they do. Okay, the next to last step is to hop over to LinkedIn and try to find that person on LinkedIn, and then just reach out to them on there to connect and say, hey, I just sent you an email, but I wanted to connect here too. Once again, that shows them that you're doing some homework, that you're taking the time to not only go to their website, but also kind of tag team it with LinkedIn to reach out to them on there. And then the last step is document who that person is and when you sent the email and their email address. You want to track all of the people that you're reaching out to. You can use a CRM for that. If you don't want to use a CRM, you can use a spreadsheet, but just keep track of the people that you're reaching out to. Then just wait. Hopefully that person will reply back, but sometimes it doesn't happen that same day or week or month or even year. But what you're doing is you're planting the seed. Hopefully, eventually, when they need somebody, they will be coming back to you. After that, it's just rinse and repeat. Do that as many times as you can every single day, and you would be amazed at how after a while, you'll start to get into the flow. You'll start to be able to send out more and more emails per session when you're sitting down doing this. And hopefully some of those people will start to come back to you and those seeds will bear fruit. So I wanted to make this quick video just to take you just down to the very bare basics, step 1, 2, 3, 4, to make sure that you know that this is not rocket science. It's very simple. You just have to do it in large numbers. And one more reminder about that webinar coming up this Tuesday night at 6 p.m. Pacific time. There's a link down below. Just click that link. It's absolutely free to join, and you'll get a copy of the book, The VoiceOver Blueprint, just for showing up, and I'll see you then. So don't let email marketing confuse you and, stop you from growing your business. It really is pretty basic, and if you follow these steps, I promise it works every time. And while we're on the topic of email marketing, I did a complete video on when to follow up with people after you've sent that first email, and you can check out that video by clicking this guy right there.